Where's the hood release on this thing? There it is. Battery's dead. Battery is not underneath the hood. But is there a jump post? Oh, the battery. No way. That's the battery?
You love it?
That, it's not in the trunk. That's like a motorcycle battery.
It's a race Honda, man. You're always supposed to have batteries like that.
That's, where's the hold down?
It doesn't need a hold down. This is a race car.
Where's the, I don't see a hold down.
It doesn't need it.
Right.
Race cars don't have hold down.
Okay. What is this? What is that? Who worked on this car? Shouldn't work over the body panel. It's just what I got. You're supposed to put, this is how they had it on? Look, look.
You don't believe in washers. You don't believe in washers. Put it on how you found it. Would you like me to get a washer?
I would. You know what's weird about this token ratchet is the switch is backwards. I'm talking to the camera. Alright, we'll see if it starts now. What's this? Oh. What? No way. Oh, look at how this is ridiculous. Now I need to tighten up the positive terminal as well. And you don't want to go positive to like the AC lines because you can blow a hole in the AC lines. I've heard of that happening before. Look how loose that is. Why is this not working? It does have battery though. It's just not.
Taking it because it's lithium?
Probably.
Let me see if it starts.
Now that I tighten down, it might.
Well, there's no power at all. There's nothing. There's no power.
Yeah,
got the slim ones.
The two on the top went in default mode, but this cheap locket whore on the bottom with the air inflator, it actually did start the vehicle. Why was it not working with those other two jump packs, and why was it only showing half a volt on the battery? Well, it was some weird goofy lithium anti-gravity battery that costs a whole bunch of money, like a $500 battery. Despite the tiny size, it was a 900 cranking amp battery, lithium, and it did charge itself up after running about 45 minutes, so it would start itself back up next time.